Hey, what's up guys? So like today I'm just gonna do a real quick video. I know I always start the videos like this, but bear with me. Let me just get some light in here. So alright, so today I'm gonna show you how to turn on a BMW. A lot of you guys don't know how to turn these cars on because the battery is in the back. If you don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. My car is super dirty. It's winter time, leave me alone. So a lot of people don't know how to turn these cars on because the battery's in the back. Oh, it's getting cold again. And what that does is that it makes it a little difficult to get to. It's starting to get cold again. So the battery's like right here, as you could see. So you could, if you really want to, you could put the red right there and the black right here. But then again, guys, don't forget, because this is how I messed up. You put the red one first on the dead battery. Then you go to the battery on the other car. If you're gonna use another car, you turn your car on, you put the red on his battery, and you put the black also on his battery, or on like a metal post or something like that. I'll show you how to do it on the BMW though. And then you go back to your car and you put that last one. And there is connections in the front. A lot of people just don't know about them. I'm gonna show you. So this is the black terminal and this is the red terminal. As you could see, it's usually like that. So what you do is, give me 1 second. So in my case, I'm not gonna use another car because I don't have another car. This car's dead too. But I do have a charger, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you grab the red one. Always start with the red one. You come all the way over here, take this off, and then you connect this right here. Come back, grab the black one now, come back all the way over here, and grab the black one. It's grabbing, but let me make sure. Come back over here. See guys, this is the one you're gonna need to make sure you're clamped on. Alright, cool. Now guys, don't use the back like to charge the car up. You know what I mean? Like if you're gonna do this, try to do it all the time from these two connections. And then you go to the charger. Let's turn this shit on though. Can it focus? There we go. Turn that on. Come back over here. Put this to like 15 minutes. Turn this around. Since I have a pretty big battery, I put it all the way to 12 volts. Sometimes I go straight to the startup and I'll leave it there. Now, what you do here, once you're charging it, either with another car or with the charger, you charge it for 2 minutes. So it's currently 12:57, so at 59, we'll come back and we'll turn it on. So if you have another car though, I would suggest you rev it to like 1500 RPMs and then maybe for like 30 seconds let it go. Do it one more time. And that's pretty much it. But alright, let me see. It's already been 2 minutes. Well, it's been like 3 now. So I'm gonna go ahead, turn this off. Turn this off as well. Go over here, turn this off. Now if I were you, if you had another car, if you're using a car to charge your car back up, I would say start it while it's connected. But me, I like to disconnect it, so that's why. Then go to your car and then try it out. Let's see. The light seems to be on pretty good. There we are. And we're back. Alright guys, that's it. Just close the hood. And I appreciate you guys watching this video. Again, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Or if you want to see when I'm finally gonna work on this truck. It's dead right now, but